Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing great. So in this video I will tell you about the integration between Google Form and the Pipedrive. So what's the workflow is? Whenever form submitted in Google Form, so we can create a prospect or create a deal in Pipedrive. So let's start from the first module. So this is the watch module in this make. So whenever form submitted, it will trigger, and after that in the second module we can get a record the whole answer, all the responses, all the fields. And after that there is a search person. So the search person, the person who submitted the form with the email. So if the person exists, it will move. If the person does not exist, it will create a person, okay, in Pipedrive. So definitely after that it creates a person and then create a deal and link with that. So just like in the above scenario, the person exists, that's why it moves above the condition true for the above side, and the below side the condition does not true, because it show me a person which exists and match with the email. And after that I have to create a note. In note I have to update all the, you can say, response values associated what user submit here in the first form and response. Here you can see these are the fields, name, and I think this is the French language, so the French person will understand, French people, about this. So these are the fields and their answers, response, what user respond. And let me rerun again. If I click runs once, here you can see after, now it's complete. So let me go to the you can say person. I just open here. So here you can see it's created. If I show you here, whenever the deal is created, the deal is created formula the person test 2, okay. So when I open here, this is our deal. So if I show you the notes, here you can see notes. If I click edit, here you can see all the field response. So this is how this automation works. So let me know if you have any type of questions and you have any issues regarding Make and Zapier and automations. Have a good day. Thanks.